Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Then pseudo-exfoliative glaucoma. So this pseudo-exfoliative glaucoma is also called as glaucoma capsulaire. Pseudo-exfoliative glaucoma is called as glaucoma capsulaire. Here in pseudo-exfoliative glaucoma, there is formation of a grayish dandruff-like material will be seen, and this grayish dandruff-like material will reach the chamber of the lens, that is anterior chamber, and it reaches the angle and gets deposited in the trabecular meshwork. So this grayish dandruff like material is deposited in the trabecular meshwork, thus resulting in primary open angle glaucoma. So this is pseudo exfoliative glaucoma.
thank you and thank you for watching.